Welcome to Using Tables in Confluence. In this video, you'll learn how to use tables within a Confluence page. This video will show you how to add a table and to manage table entries and properties. To add a table, go to the page where you want the table added and click the Edit button. Next, decide on your page where you want your table. Go to the Insert Table dropdown, click the dropdown, and select the size of your table. Your table can be a 1x1 table, a single cell, all the way up to a 15 by 20 table. You can always add more rows and columns if you choose. For this example, I'm going to use a 3 by 3 table. So I'll click on the 3 by 3, and my table has been added, and you'll also see a new row appear. These are my table properties. This will allow me to add rows, remove rows and columns, also to merge cells, to shade cells, and also delete the entire table if I choose. Let's just do a couple of examples. Once I have my table created, I'll click on a cell and just type in whatever content I want. I can also add some other information. So for example, maybe I'm doing a schedule of rooms. So I'm going to put a couple rooms down. And maybe I want to add a new column after Tuesday. So I'll go ahead, click on Tuesday, and I'll add insert column after. And now I have a new column. I can just type right into the column. If I want to add a column before, I'll click the Insert Column Before button. After I click on Monday, we have a new column. I'll put Sunday in here. And then I can type in any content I want into the individual cells. I can also add images. I can also add multimedia if I want. To remove a column or row, maybe we're not open on Sundays, I'll click on the column I want to remove and click on Remove Column. If I no longer need a certain row, I click on the row and say Remove Row. I can also change the shading on an individual cell. So for Wednesday, maybe I want this to be emphasized. I'll click on the Wednesday, go to the Change Cell Color. It turns it to gray, but I can also choose to turn it to a pink, maybe a green. So I can emphasize the cell color. I can also make a certain set of columns shaded. So I'll click on the column, click the heading column, and it can be any column within the table. If I want to simply remove my table, I can click on Remove Table. I can also merge table cells if I so desire. Once I'm done adding my table and manipulating the information, I'll click Save. And now my table is saved. At any time, if I need to add or remove things from my table, I'll go to Edit and just edit the table. This has been Using Tables in Confluence.